Ever wondered how that banana ended up in your smoothie? It's a journey, and it's powered by some amazing technology. We're going to peel back the curtain on the world of banana production. Get ready to see how these yellow fruits go from the farm to your table. It's a fascinating blend of nature and innovation. Bananas, believe it or not, don't grow on trees. They come from a plant, more like a giant herb. These plants thrive in tropical climates. They need lots of sunshine and water. Farmers use technology to monitor these conditions. This ensures the bananas grow healthy and strong, but it's not just about growing them. It's about getting them to you in perfect condition. That's where the tech really kicks in. From drones flying over fields to high-tech sorting machines, the process is incredible. So grab a banana, maybe make a smoothie, and get ready to explore. It's going to be a fascinating ride. Harvesting bananas is no easy feat. It's a delicate process, but technology is lending a helping hand. Drones are now used in many banana plantations. They fly over the fields with special cameras. These cameras can tell when bananas are perfectly ripe. No more guessing games, but it's not just about identifying ripe bananas, it's also about picking them carefully and doing it efficiently. That's where specialized harvesting tools come in. These tools help workers cut bunches of bananas quickly and safely. They minimize damage to the fruit. Once the bananas are harvested, the real journey begins. They're transported to processing plants. This is where the magic of technology really shines. Sorting, cleaning, ripening, it's all carefully controlled. Imagine a conveyor belt overflowing with bananas. It's a sea of yellow. Now imagine machines sorting these bananas at lightning speed. That's the reality in modern banana processing plants. High-tech sorting machines are the unsung heroes of the banana industry. These aren't your grandma's sorting machines. They're equipped with advanced cameras and sensors. These tools can detect even the slightest imperfections. Bananas are sorted by size, color, and ripeness. Only the best make it to the next stage. But what happens to the bananas that don't make the cut? Don't worry, they're not wasted. They're often used for other purposes. Think banana bread, baby food, or even banana flour. Technology ensures that every part of the banana is used. It minimizes waste and maximizes efficiency. Here's a fun fact. The bananas you buy at the store weren't ripe when they were picked. They ripen on their journey to you. This happens in special ripening rooms. These rooms are like climate-controlled spas for bananas. Temperature, humidity, and even the air itself are carefully controlled. Bananas naturally release a gas called ethylene. This gas speeds up the ripening process. Ripening rooms use ethylene to control how quickly bananas ripen. This level of control is thanks to technology. Sensors monitor the environment inside the ripening rooms. They make sure the conditions are perfect for optimal ripening. This ensures that bananas reach your grocery store at the perfect level of sweetness and texture. It's science at its tastiest. Section 6 Shipping Secrets, Temperature Control and Tracking Across the Globe. Bananas are world travelers. They're shipped from tropical farms to every corner of the globe. Getting them there in good condition is a logistical feat, and it relies heavily on technology. Refrigerated trucks and ships are used to transport bananas. These vehicles are equipped with advanced temperature control systems. They keep the bananas at the perfect temperature throughout their journey. This prevents them from ripening too quickly or getting damaged in transit. But it's not just about temperature control. Tracking technology is also used to monitor the banana's journey. Sensors in the shipping containers track the temperature, humidity, and even the location of the bananas. This information is sent back to the shippers in real time. This allows them to monitor the condition of the banana. Section 8, Sustainable Banana Business, Reducing Waste and Going Green. Technology isn't just making the banana industry more efficient, it's also making it more sustainable. From reducing food waste to minimizing the environmental impact of transportation, technology is playing a key role in creating a greener banana business. One of the biggest areas of focus is reducing food waste. As we've seen, technology is helping to sort bananas more effectively. This ensures that only the highest quality bananas make it to market. But what about the bananas that don't make the cut? Instead of being discarded, these bananas can be used for other purposes. They can be processed into banana puree, banana flour, or even banana-based bioplastics. Technology is making it easier and more cost-effective to process these bananas. This reduces waste and creates new revenue streams for banana. Solutions emerge in the years to come. Section 10. Beyond the peel, the impact of tech on banana consumption. Technology isn't just changing how bananas are produced, it's also changing how we consume them. From online grocery delivery services to smart refrigerators that remind us when our bananas are about to go bad. Technology is making it easier than ever to enjoy this delicious and nutritious fruit. The rise of online grocery delivery services has been a game changer for banana consumption. No longer do we have to brave the crowds at the grocery store to get our banana fix. We can simply order online and have them delivered straight to our doorstep. Smart refrigerators are another example of how technology is changing the way we consume bananas. These refrigerators can track the expiration dates of our food and send us reminders when items are about to go bad. This helps to reduce food waste and ensures that we always have ripe bananas on hand. Section 11, a final bite. Enjoying the fruits of technology. So there you have it, a journey from farm to table powered by innovation and ingenuity. The next time you peel a banana, take a moment to appreciate the technology that made it possible. From high-tech harvesting to climate-controlled ripening rooms, every step of the process has been touched by the hand of innovation. Technology has not only made the banana industry more efficient and sustainable, but has also ensured that we have access to high-quality, delicious bananas year-round. So go ahead, enjoy that banana smoothie, banana bread, or simply a perfectly ripe banana on its own. You're tasting the fruits of technology.